Welcome to USAdrop. This screencast will walk you through the complete setup and core features. Product sourcing, one-click import, your dedicated agent, real-time tracking, and POD. Let's get started. First, connect your Shopify store. After logging into USAdrop, click Add Shopify Store. You'll be redirected to Shopify's permission page. Click Install to authorize the app. That's it. Your store is now connected and ready to go. Now let's find products to sell. Under the Products tab, you can explore over 1 million products across categories like Winner, Top 100. Let's search for a yoga mat. Click into the product detail page, then hit Import. The product is now saved in your import list. Review the description, variants, and images. Finally, click Import to Store and publish it directly to your Shopify store. That's one-click importing. Don't see the product you want? Use our on-demand sourcing feature. Paste a product link from any e-commerce site or upload an image. Click Submit. Within 24 hours, your dedicated agent will contact you with a quote and sourcing options. No MOQ required. Use the Stock Check feature to view real-time inventory levels for all your products at a glance. This helps you manage stock more efficiently and know exactly when to reorder. Every USAdrop merchant gets a dedicated human agent, not a bot. Click Contact Your Agent here, then tap the contact method you prefer. This will open a direct chat with your personal agent. You can ask about sourcing, quality control, tracking issues, or anything else. Real people, real support. Order management is simple. Go to the Orders tab to see all your Shopify orders synced automatically. Click any order to view its status and tracking number. No more manual tracking lookups. Everything is right here. Finally, USAdrop supports print on demand. Click the POD tab to access our POD catalog. Select a product like this t-shirt. You can add your own designs and text. We'll print and ship it under your brand. No inventory needed. For more branding and customization services, just contact your dedicated agent. That's the full USAdrop walkthrough. From product sourcing to order tracking to POD, all with a dedicated human agent by your side. Start with our free plan, upgrade only when you need more.